Hi, I'm Dr. Sam Norgard with Action Chiropractic and Sports Injury Center. Today, we're going to be talking about foam rolling. Foam rolling is a great way to decrease muscle tension, relieve muscle soreness, and improve your range of motion. To get the maximum benefit from foam rolling, target each muscle group for 30 seconds to a minute. The following video shows my leg day foam rolling routine and targets the glutes, calves, hamstrings, adductors, and quads. Enjoy. If you found that video helpful and informative, please like and subscribe to our channel and visit www.takeactionchiro.com. And remember, it feels good to get some action.